Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to restore closed tabs in Zen Browser with this complete 2026 guide. If you accidentally close an important tab, don't worry, you can quickly bring it back in just a few seconds. First, open Zen Browser and visit any website. Now close one of your open tabs. To restore it, simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus T on your keyboard. Your recently closed tab will instantly reopen. You can also click on the tab bar and choose Reopen Closed Tab if that option is available in your version of Zen Browser. If you've closed multiple tabs, keep pressing Ctrl Shift plus T to restore them one by one in the order they were closed. That's all there is to it. Restoring closed tabs in Zen Browser is quick and easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Zen Browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.